So just recall yesterday's string method, string data type and methods. You are able to hear me, right? Can someone confirm? Good. So what is the string? String is a collection of characters in single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Whatever whatever we are writing in between single quote, double quote, triple quotes, so it will be treated as a string, right? What all are the methods available? String methods. Hmm? String methods. Up, upper, lower, count, index. So you can remember like series only, then only easily we can remember. Otherwise, we'll forget. Okay. Upper, lower, count, index, and after that replace. Okay. Then strip, L strip, R strip. Right. Next, join and split. Okay. Next, each digit starts with and ends with. So these methods are very important, but string has some other methods also, so those are not required. So these methods are enough. If you learn these methods, right, like we can do any kind of work with strings. Clear? And can you tell me what all are the properties available string for string? String supports concatenation and it supports repetition and indexing, right? Indexing again, positive indexing and negative indexing. It supports for positive and negative indexing. Then slicing supports for slicing. Okay. Any other properties? Right. So it will support for these are all things: concatenation, repetition, indexing. Here positive indexing and negative indexing, and it supports for slicing also. So yesterday we have completed these are all things. These are all topics. Okay. Today we'll see list data type. So what is list? No. Collection of multiple objects. List is a collection of multiple objects. It is used for storing multiple objects of any type within the square braces. So this is called list. Right? And list also supports concatenation and repetition and indexing and slicing. Right? Whatever we learned here, string also will support. Now we'll see. Let me take one example for list. This is the list we are having. So let me print this. How to run Python file? Python space file name, right? Okay. Clearly, we are able to see as it is, right? List. Here, if you see here, this is the first element, right? This is the second element. This is second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth, and seventh, right? So whatever we have defined, right? It is giving as it is. So it is having order, right? If you will execute again and again, it is giving, it is printing in same order. It is not changing, right? So list has order, right? If you see here, here 100 is there, here 100 is there, 100 is there. So 20 also two times it is there. So it allows duplicates. List allows duplicates, right? Now we'll see print data plus data. What we are doing here, we are trying to concatenate. We are applying concatenation here. See, clearly it is concatenated, right? Till here, this is existing list. From here, it is new list we are concatenating. Clear? Same likewise, repetition also. So if you do 3 here, it will repeat 3 times. See, it is repeated 3 times. So it is proved it supports concatenation and supports repetition. Next one is we are telling it supports indexing also. So yeah, can anyone tell me how to access this last element from list? Print data of 7. So this we have tried already for strings, right? You remember that, right? Indexing. Now see here last print statement. Clearly we are able to get that last element from the list by using index, right? It will support negative indexing also. See, this is also same, right? What we will get if I do this -1, India only will get. So it supports positive indexing and negative indexing. So here also we tried same thing. It supports positive indexing and negative indexing in strings also, right? Next, how to get here to here, this portion. Int data of 1:4. Why? Because always it will take till before 1, right? So this is called slicing, right? See, clearly we are able to get whatever we require, particular portion of this list, right? So it supports slicing also. Clear? Clear, right? It supports indexing, it supports slicing, it supports concatenation, it supports repetition also, and it is ordered. List has order and list it contains duplicates also. Here duplicate values are there, right? Yeah. These are all the properties we need to remember. Right? Now let me take another example. Print data. Okay. Now what is the output we'll get here? India, UK, Germany, Japan. True. What is the true here? Boolean value. Yeah. That is why directly we wrote. If I write like this, right? Now it is a normal string. It is not Boolean, right? Now here in list, actually we can update the list. We can update the list. So I want to update UK with data of UK. Where data is available, where UK is available at index 1 equal to 200, right? So I want to update UK with some other value, right? Now again let me print data. Print star star 30. You know, right, what I am doing here? I am repeating star 30 times. See, are you able to observe clearly? We have updated UK with 200, right? So here another property we can update the list, and if you observe clearly what it is updated, it is updated here original list, it is updated. I am not storing this in any new list, right? There, ah, yeah, yeah. We can update with anything. Like here, see, this is one value. We are updating. We can update anything, not only string, not only list. Okay, we can add. We can add like this. See, 300. Till now we learned. Now we are learning list, right? This is what again? This is a list, right? Whatever we are writing in between this square braces, it will be treated as a list. Now again see output. See, it is updated with that list. Clear? We can update with any object. So it will replace. No, see here, what is the type of this type of data? See, This data, how we defined this data, we defined with square braces. So it will be treated as a Python will understand it is a list. This is the, I can say, this is the like one super feature in Python. If you go to any other languages, right, you need to declare like if you go to any other C language or Java, people need to declare where int uh, number equal to something. Likewise, we need to declare in other languages, right? If you want to define a string something, we need to define like this, where string. I don't know exactly syntax, but in other languages we need to define like this. But here Python automatically it will understand based on this square braces, parentheses, and curly braces. Okay, this is the like powerful feature in Python. We no need to separately declare it is a list like it is a list and list name. So we no need to do like this here in Python, right? Clear? So we can update any object. Clear? Yesterday in strings, see, I am in Bangalore. Okay. Here str1 of 2. What is the 2 here? 0, 1, 2. Right? A is 2. So I'm trying to update A here with Z. Okay. See. Here actually in string update will not support list 2. So see, string object does not support item assignment. Clear? List support update, but string not support item assignment. Clear? So this is called mutable. Yeah, list is supporting. Yeah, this is list. Let me keep just one object here. Okay. So list is supporting update. We are able to update here. See, what is the data one here? Data one is UK, right? It is replacing with 200 in place. 200 in place. In place meaning same list. Here we are not creating any new list, right? Same. This is only affecting original list only affecting. Yeah, original list only affecting here. So, but here if you see in the strings, right? Strings, it is not possible. We cannot update, right? So, in Python, this is called mutable. We can update object in place, right? So, here list is a mutable. Here string is a immutable. So, we cannot update. So these two you need to remember mutable and immutable keywords. Okay, mutable meaning we can update, immutable meaning we cannot update. Clear? list 3. Now, these are all the properties of list. Then we'll see the methods, inbuilt methods for list. So for list we have append, insert, and extend, and we have pop and remove and index, count. See, index and count are available in string also, right? Index and count are available in string also. So you can think these will work same. Whatever we did for string, right? Same operations we can do for list also using index and count. Okay. Next, update and reverse, and one more important is copy, clear. So these methods are important. We have some other methods also, but these are all very important. Other methods are not required. Okay. Now let's take same example. This is the list and we have indexes till 4. Now here data dot append 100. So append is used to add one object to end of list. Here append is used to add one object to the end of list. Syntax is list dot append one object. Now it will append can append only one object at end. At end. If you want to add any object at end, we can use append. Right? Print data. Yeah, it will not replace appending, meaning here we have till 4 already we have objects, right? So it will add at fifth index. It will be add as fifth index. So this is the syntax. Use it to add one object. We cannot add multiple objects using append. Okay? Yeah, we can add only one object to end of list. At the end of list. Now see, see, observe here. This is already old list. Okay, data. After appending, this is the list. Where it is appended? Appended at last. Right? Now, how to get last value from the list? Last object from the list? How to get last object from the list? Hmm? No, I am asking, for example, if you have, you don't know, here you are seeing this, you don't know how many elements, how many objects are there in list. I am asking how to access last element from the list. Simple, right? Minus 1. You no need to think like logically. Just if you do minus 1, it will pick last element from the list. That is why it is like the feature is there. It is supporting negative indexing also, minus, right? See, clear? Because in real time, you don't know how many, like, how much data is there. It may be coming from some other sources, right? That time you want to access last index. If you want to access last second index, last second value, -2, right? Last second value is true here. Now tell me, what is the type of this true? How can I check? Yeah, yeah. Why can't we do this? Already we are getting the true, right? -2, type of -2. Clear? See, clearly it is telling you Boolean. Clear? What is type of last element? How to check? -1. Last element integer. What is the last element here? 100. Clear? Print. Now tell me data of what is the output we'll get here? Correct. Japan true 100. See, 100 also there, right? Srikanth, you are seeing this existing list. But if you see here, we have 100, we have appended 100 here, right? So you need to consider this while we are like writing any code, right? So if you see this original list, right, it will be like false thinking, right? Wrong thinking. Correct? Understood? Now tell me what is the output? -3 to -1. Hmm? What is the -3? -1, -2, -3. -3 is Japan. Okay? Then -2, -1. See, yeah. Here you observed, right? Here. 1 to 4 meaning what we are getting here? 1 to 4. Pending 3. Here also same rule, right? Slicing we are edging. You need to follow same rule. What is -3? -3 is Japan. -2 is true. Will it give -1 also? Not, right? See, clearly we are getting only till before this index, -1 index. Before this index, -1 here, 100. So it is not giving you -1 index value. Clear? Yeah. Here also we tried same, but here also same slicing. Here also we are applying slicing. Now just observe this. Just observe this. Can you tell me this? 0 means it should starts with 0, right? This is starting position, right? What is the starting position? Starting position is India here from here. Okay. Next should be stop position. Okay. End position. End position I didn't give anything. Okay. Meaning till end, till last. So it will be considering for till 100. And next I am giving 2. This is called actually step. Step 2. I gave here 2. So jump by 2. This is jump. Jump by step. 2 steps. At a time, jump 2 steps. So first India received, then jumping to 2 steps. Germany. Clear? Next again jumping to 2 step is true. So again it will trying here, but there is no second step. So yeah, clear? Clear? How can we apply step? Right? Same if you apply 4 here, 4 steps. Can you tell me output? Starting with this is the start position. India, okay? From here to 4 steps. One, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now here I am giving 4 here. Now tell me what is the output? Hmm? Just read this. Start position is 0. Yeah, start position is 0. You are sure, right? India will get. This is the first step India will get. End position is 4. What is the 4 here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. True is the 4. What we are trying to jump? How many steps? We are trying to jump by 4. Yeah. What is the 4 here? True. Right? One, 2, 3, 4. But before this step, we are getting till 3. Before 4 only we'll get the output, right? Clear? Now the final output is here only India. You understood, right? Why we are getting like this? Let me remove this. First it will happen this portion 0 to 4. It will retrieve data from list 0 to 4. Again after that it will apply this step. Now see 0 to 4 we are getting this data. 0th element is 0th object is India. After that we are telling jump 4. Jump to 4th element. Here 1, 2, 3. 4th element is not available. So we'll get only India. Clear this step syntax? Same this step we can apply for strings also. Okay, you can practice that. Just do for strings also because strings also supporting slicing, right? Here we are doing slicing only. List 4. Now we have completed append, right? Now we'll see the insert. So insert is used to insert one object using position or index. Definition is insert is used to insert one object using position or index. We can call it as position or index. Okay. Syntax is list dot insert. Here we need to give first index, comma object. Okay. Let me take same list here. apply insert data dot insert. Here I wanted to update like UK with 100, right? So UK index is 1, right? And value I am updating 100. Print data. See, clear? This is first list, original list. This is after updating. If you observe here, here we are not replacing, right? Clearly observe here, we are inserting one object at position 1. So next data will move to right side. Clear? Now this is the output. Right? This is 4. This is 5. See, it is inserted object at position 1. All other elements move to right side. Clear? So it is for inserting, right? We are not like doing in place, we are not updating. It is we are inserting new element to the list. Okay. Now tell me data dot insert -1 comma Japan. Now tell me what is the output we'll get. Yeah. After 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 true Japan or see if you observe here in this case, right? This is the original list, okay? Where we are inserting at position 1. So this is the position 1. UK is the position 1, right? At position 1 it is inserted 100 and other data move to right side. Here also think, right? -1, right? This is the -1. Clear? So we are inserting at position. So all other elements will move to right side. Clear? Japan, Japan, true. Now tell me what is the output. Hmm? Okay. Answer for this also. Yeah. Okay. All other elements move to right side. So here 0th we are inserting at 0th position. 0th position. So 0th position will be inserting Japan. So from here it will move to right side. Now here what is the data of 0? Here what is the output? Japan only, right? Clear? Now tell me what is the output we'll get. I am trying to insert Japan at 100th position. Hmm? We're not getting any error. Hmm? Trend into 30. Okay. We see here it is inserted at last. See, if index is exists, okay, if index is exists, it will insert at that index place, right? If index is not exists, it will add at last, right? It will not give you any error. Clear? Now try this minus 100. Hmm? See, minus 100 is not exist. So it is checking here from the here minus 100 is exist or not. If not exist, it is inserting at starting. Clear? List 5. Now we have completed insert also, right? Now we'll see extend. So the extend method is used to add multiple elements from another iterable. So it is used to add multiple elements from the another iterable. Extend extend is used to add multiple elements from the another iterable. Again here iterable is new word, right? New for you, right? Iterable. So iterable meaning, so whichever we are able to loop, right? Just just see now, don't think of this for loop. For I in, let me take this data print I. Okay, so let me execute this 5.py. See, it is iterating object by object. Clear, right? Whichever data type we are able to use in for loop, that is iterable. Clear? See, now don't think of this for loop. Okay, I'll explain you about this later. As of now, just I am explaining about the iterable. So it is iterating object by object, element by element. See here, first we received India, next UK, Germany, Japan, true. Okay. So list is a iterable, right? Now we'll check for string also, right? We'll apply for string also. Here str1 Here observe from here H, right? If you go to string, right, this is also iterable, but character by character. It is providing character by character. If you go to here list, right, it is giving element by element, object by object, right? This we need to remember. String also iterable and list also iterable. Now check other data type. Can you tell me which data types, which are what are the data types we have completed till now? Hmm? Integer also we have completed, right? Yeah. Apply this for loop for integer. Print I. Clear? I'm applying. I'm checking it is iterable or not. Print. Okay. See. Type error. Int object is not iterable. Clearly, you are able to understand this, right? It is telling you in simple English, right? Error also, it is providing you integer object is not iterable, right? So you understood, right? Why we are calling it as iterable. So integer and float are not iterables. Here list and strings are iterables, right? But if you see list here, we will get object by object. If you see in the list, right, we will get by character by character. Clear, right? Now extend, right? We are discussing about extend. Extend is used to add multiple elements from another iterable. So let me take syntax is list one. Okay, list one dot extend. List one dot extend. Here any iterable. As of now, we learned string is iterable and list also iterable, right? In future, we'll learn about other iterables also, other data types. But as of now, remember string and list are iterables, right? Let me take one list, two lists here. List one equal to 1, 2, 3. List two is equal to 4, 5, 6. So if you want to like extend list one, what is the syntax? List one dot extend list two. Clear? Now print list one and print list two. See, are you able to observe? Clearly, it is extended. Extended with another iterable. Clear? This is list 2 actually. If you observe, list 1 is affected. Clear? List 2 is as it is. Hmm? Any doubt here? Now, I am extending to list 2. Here I am keeping list 1. 8, 7, right? See, list 2 is affected, right? Because this is the first list we are extending with second iterable. Clear? So it modifies the original list in place. You are observing that, right? Here original list is list 2 we are applying, right? We are applying to list 2. We are extending with list 1. If you see here, list 1 dot list 2. Extend list 2. Clear? Now we can apply this for strings also, right? Let me take one list and string. This is the list A, B, and this is the string. Now list 1 dot extend. Okay, string 1. Now tell me what is the output. Print list 1. A, B, A, B, C, D. Correct? Now I told you here, see, iterator. List iterator is working object by object. Right? List is a iterator. It is working as object by object. Right? I told you string also iterator, but how it is working? Character by character. Character by character. Right? That is why we need to remember clearly rule. This is the rule. Right? If we see here, we are using string as iterator. Now, can you tell me correct answer? This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong answer. So, character by character. C, comma, D. Correct? As per rule, this is the output. Clear? So, here what it is happening? Each character from the string is added to list individually. Correct? Clear, right? Now tell me what is the difference between append also appending, right? Append also doing same thing. Yeah, append will add only single object, but by using extend we can add iterators. So now just try this list one dot append. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now tell me what is the answer. List 1. Now tell me Here also happening, right? Here also happening. It is adding to the list one, right? Same. Let me use extend. Extend. I'm doing same object. I'm adding, right? Now see. Have you observed this? Just remove this here. Just think of only this one. Okay. Otherwise, let me do it separately. List 9. So, what is the take this as list 1. Now see here 9. Here see how it is appending. It is appending one object at a time, right? Clear? But if you see using list 10 extend, right? See how it is appended as separate element, right? Yeah. This one and this one both are not same. Clear? This is different and this is different, but both are list. Now, now, can you tell me here the output? Yeah, by using append, we can append one object. So list also one object only. Okay, string also one object. But if you apply extend, right, it will be like work within the iterator. It will iterate the elements, right? List of -1. Now tell me what is the answer here? Hmm? This is the ninth program output. This is the ninth program. So what is the output here? List of -1. Huh? We will get 1, 2, 3. So I can tell you that this is list of list also, right? Within the list, one more list. See, list one. See. Now tell me how to access this two. How to access this two from list one? Okay, this is the list one we have right here. This is a list one. I wanted to get this two. Hmm? So list already list -1. We are getting this right. Now I want to get this two. One because here this is 0th index. This is one. This is two. This is list of list again, right? So if you see here how like indexing also will work. This is 0. This is 1. Right? This is 2. Clear? Now if you see here, again this is list. Right? Here for this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Clear? We're able to understand, right? List of list. This is first list. This is the index. 0th index, first index, second index. So we are accessing this index here by doing -1, right? After that, we are accessing this 2 by using this list index. Clear? Now, can you tell me? I wanted to replace this one with Japan. I want to replace this one with Japan. Hmm? List one, okay, okay, -1 or 2, okay, both will work, right? 2, then 0 is equal to Japan. Print list 1. Clear? Clearly, we are able to update, we are able to replace this one with Japan using indexes. Clear? Now tell me L equal to comma 1 comma ABC comma hello comma 100 comma 200. So first tell me, is it valid list? How to check is it valid or not? Yeah, you need to verify all, like this is here one square braces opened. So for this, this is the closed square braces. For this one is closed square braces. Okay. For this, see here it is automatically highlighting. Okay. PyCharm is providing this feature for this list. Okay. Here we are closing. Again for this list, again we are here closing. For this list here. Okay. Now tell me how to access this hello from this list. I want to access this hello from this list. Tell me this answer, then we can close today's session. So, first, like always, you need to think like logically. Okay. So, yeah. See, I am asking to get this hello, right? So, just simply think where it is there. Instead of counting from here, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, it will be little confusion. You can do using this also, but for you it will take 2 minutes, right? If you think little like logically, analytically, simply you need to tell that -1, right? Because I am asking to access this hello. This is also possible, whatever you are time, you are counting from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that is also possible. But easiest way is you need to always think analytically, okay? Logically. -1, okay? What is the -1 list here? Now tell me. What is the -1 list here? Do you think this is -1 list? Again, do you think this is -1 index? Hmm? See, this is list of list, okay? So if you are able to understand this, right, so you can work on any like kind of list of list of list of list. Okay, this is zeroth index, right? This is one. Clear? Here, this is two. Then, then this is here. It is list is starting. Okay, this is three. Next, is there fourth index? Here, new list is like starting here, right? Here to where it is ending? It is ending here. Clear? Just click here. See, it is highlighting here. So this is fourth or this is three. Okay, three or minus one. Am I correct? So now you accessed this list. I wanted to get this one. See, again minus one. No? Okay. Now tell me what is the again minus one you are telling? What is the that minus one thing here element? From this list, what is the minus one element? See here again. This is zero, right? One is zero, right? Next, this is one. Where is the two? Do you have two here? See, clearly observe again here. I'm clicking here, ending here. So here to here. This is one list again. Understood? You are understanding, right? How it is like happening. In real time, our all requirements will be like this only. We need to play with these kind of data types, right? Minus one is here, here to here. Clear? Again, minus one. So, what is the, this is the list, right? For this, what is the minus one? This is the, again, this is list. From here, I wanted to access hello. I wanted to access first element. From here, for first element, what we need to give? 0. Clear now? So, likewise, you need to think like step by step, you need to understand what is there in the data type list. It is list of list is there, right? Within that, strings also there and integers also there. Clear? And you know what is the difference between append and extend, right? Hmm? Okay. Then we close this for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with other data types, other methods. Okay.